This is an LG front load washer, and in this video we're going to replace the cold water inlet valve. You only need two tools to do this: Phillips head screwdriver and channel locks. To figure out which part you need, your model number on your washing machine is typically on a little sticker on the inside. I've turned the machine around and now we need to remove this top cover. So take your Phillips head screwdriver, remove that screw, remove this screw, and then the cover comes back, and then just lift it off. Now before you start taking apart the connections on the valve, you need to make sure that the one you got is the correct one. So we're going to make sure that everything lines up. Looks like the screw holes, those will line up. Our outlet valves, these little outlet guys, they're in the right place. Really doesn't matter how this connection is, but it looks like it is correct. So I'm going to start taking it apart. After you've unplugged the machine, we can start removing the valve. And it's always a good idea to take a picture of things when you're taking them apart so you can remember where everything went back. The channel locks, we'll use them to remove those spring clamps. These hoses will have water in them, possibly, so it might be, if that bothers you, it might be a good idea to put a towel in here. So the hoses come off. Now we take off the two mounting screws in the back, and this procedure is the same for the hot water as well. And they typically sell them in pairs, hot water and cold water. So when you're doing one, you're going to do the other one. How I figured out that the cold water valve was leaking was pretty simple. When we discovered that there was a puddle, we turned off the water, the puddle dried up. Turn on the hot water, no puddle. Turn on the cold water, we got a puddle. So that told me that the cold water was leaking and the machine was not leaking under operation. It was only when it was sitting that it would leak. To put everything back together, you're just gonna tighten these guys up, put the hoses back on, electrical connectors, top back on, and you're done. It's very easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll put a link on where you can buy these guys as well. Have a great day.